What's up? It's your girl, Sure Goodas, and today on Whipping in the Kitchen, I'm gonna make some Southwest chicken breast. I found the recipe on the internet, but I'm gonna put my own spin on it. That's enough talking. Let's hop right into it.
Where should I put my shoes? Ay, mi amor, ay, mi amor. You say put them on your head. Ay, mi amor, ay, mi amor.
First, you want to start with your chicken breast. I already washed my chicken. You can clean your chicken with lemon or vinegar. I'm also going to use some gloves because I'm fancy. I'm going to sprinkle it with some garlic powder, some paprika. Not much in there, so I'm just going to slap it on out there. Add some hot sauce and my favorite, Goya Sazon. You want to use 2 packets. A little bit of cilantro, not too much because you don't want to overpower the other seasoning. Now you want to marinate your chicken for at least 20 minutes. Next, you want to take a tomato and your green onion and chop that up. Me, I'm not fancy. I chop up my veggies and get them in the dish because at the end of the day, it's all going to the same place. Next, I'm gonna take my can of yellow sweet corn, throw that in a bowl along with some Goya black beans. I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of sea salt, chop up my tomato, throw that in there along with some black pepper. One thing I like about this dish is that if you don't eat meat or if you don't feel like eating meat that day, you can make this dish with just veggies. Look at that. Now you want to take some chicken broth and layer the bottom of that pan. As for the chicken, we're not going to put that in yet. We're going to take the veggies that we seasoned up and layer the bottom of the pan. Then we're gonna add some salsa, stir it around, take a knife and poke holes. Layer your pan with the chicken breast, and then you're gonna bake for 40 minutes. This is what my dish looks like, fresh out of the oven. I'm gonna layer this dish with some Colby and Monterey Jack cheese mix and then bake for another 5 minutes. Yes, ma'am, my Southwest chicken breast is ready to go for Cinco de Mayo. I am so tired of eating the same old things during this time. So if you want to switch it up too, make sure that you try this recipe and drop some comments below. Thanks for watching Whipping in the Kitchen. This is Sure Good As Dutch's Radio out.